The InterWeave Payment Gateway supports all payment types processed in either your CRM or your website. The Salesforce Payment Integration Datasheet contains background information on merchant accounts, payment gateway details, credit card payments, recurring billing information, and working with the customer's data. The right-hand side of the data sheet shows we integrate with some of the most popular merchant services providers. We currently support 48 merchant service providers, so if you don't see yours, just let us know and we'll incorporate that into our solution for you. Additionally, there's full documentation for your support. In order to process a credit card transaction in your Salesforce, you're going to select the customer's opportunity. Here's the credit card client expiration dates, credit card bills, and more. If you're going to set up a recurring payment, just select the date of the month you wish to have this transaction fire on. Additionally, there's a custom object that we're going to create under an account or opportunity, called a transaction. Every time you do a transaction with a merchant service provider authorized net, we'll be creating a new record with the status, approved, declined, this type of detail. Let's move to the InterWeave payment solution and log in. You can see the details of the configuration. Here are the Salesforce credentials, and here are the authorized.net credentials and other properties. I selected to have an email sent to me after a data connection error and a full daily report in the morning. When you click Save and Finish, we generate the solution flows that process the data from your CRM to your merchant service provider and back. On the left-hand side, these are scheduled transaction flows. So for example, if I click Start and set the timing for 60,000 milliseconds, this would be 1 minute. Lower down are the individual utility transactions. For example, the bottom one is for a named account, ends with an N. The one above is for a date range, ends with a DRS. You have the option to use InterWeave flows, or you can use a custom button in your Salesforce. In Salesforce, let's select an opportunity. In this opportunity, you can see multiple transactions have been selected. Starting with the ability to create multiple invoices, we created an invoice on May 8, 2023 for $10, and we selected to pay this invoice on June 2, 2023. A corresponding transaction record is then created on June 2, 2023 when this payment was processed. Additionally, we set up recurring payments for $10 for 6 months, starting on June 14, 2023. These transactions are supported by moving the current stage from negotiation/review to invoiced. The structure may be simple, but the extended options support complex customers' requirements. So what's next? Contact your InterWeave sales representative and schedule a demo. When you decide to engage with InterWeave, you will be given a sign-on and password to our help site, help.interweave.biz. Let's start the process. We look forward to having you as a customer.